Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. So guys, today's video is not gonna be like a normal video. I just want to give you guys an update on my life, but just watch me make this salmon and egg fried rice as we go. So guys, if you all have noticed, I haven't been that active. I haven't been posting and I'm just dropping shorts once in a while, and that is because my life has been, more busy than it used to be. I started my channel because I had lots of time at home doing nothing. But right now, I started work and I also started school. School homework is taking a whole lot of my time, like, oh my goodness. So I'm so sorry, I'm not gonna be able to be posting content as much as I would love to be doing, but I'm going to try my best to be dropping video at least once a week. If I won't be able to make it in dropping an actual video, I will try my best to make some short videos. Okay, so if you miss me, just watch my short watch my short video. Those ones are very easy to make. Okay, you can catch up with me on the short section of YouTube and let's hang out there. Okay, if you see any recipe that I make and you're interested in the longer content of it, just let me know on the comment section and I'll try my best to make that short into an actual long YouTube video. So this recipe, let me talk about it a little bit, is just a simple meal that you can make on those days that you don't have time, just like now that I don't have time to be cooking. One thing I always try to do is to always have white rice in the fridge. Without white rice, I can easily come up with any simple thing that is just gonna be ready in 10 minutes, and this fried rice is one of it. Okay, so you basically just fry your egg and then add some oil in a pan and then warm up your rice that has been in the fridge. Okay, just bring it out in the fridge and toss it in the pan and add whatever you can find at home, just anything you can see that you'll be able to enjoy. Just add it in the rice, stir it. Once everything gets warmed up, serve and enjoy. So I decided to add a little bit of sesame seeds just to add a little bit of drama to this, and I added my fish, and yeah guys, my simple lunch is ready. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye guys.